3 pound of rice, 2 dozen ackee, and a gallon
A juice.
of sugar water.
Alright,
Not
so
juice.
stay
Sugar
in
water.
tune.
Stay in tune.
That's the video I'm gonna post
That's it.
next. You see it? Rasta.
So you see the man there go like him a whole social media.
Yeah.
But you 2 pound of flour, 16 flour and chicken back.
Yeah. Yeah, I beat that.
I miss up for that.
Alright.
You know say? I miss up for that.
Listen.
Listen this. Where you hear that? You know what's I mean that.
Alright. Remember to like and subscribe to your movements. Real Steele Entertainment. Yeah, I'm out.
Yeah, back to real Steele, you don't know.
Yeah.
Real Steele. Argument tonight.
Alright, so see the man here, boom RAS. Yeah, naturally. Say I'm gonna eat the what? 3 pound of rice
Let's go.
and 2 dozen ackee and saltfish. So see there.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now see it, viewers and subscribers.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24.
Alright, 2 dozen ackee, 3 pound rice, saltfish. See star there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Big up, hold on, before we started, you give me a little big up for the channel, you know, because you don't know how the movements you are working, Real Steele Entertainment to the world. Where's the fireball?
It's not a bargain, it's not a deal, it's real Steele.
Rich is
Yeah.
I
right.
feel like an orange will appeal, real Steele.
Alright. So, where say I do the rice now?
I get it ready, man. I want you, man. You know, so Real Steele Entertainment, man. You know, so we know about short fun thing, man.
Alright.
Thing loud, another day.
Alright.
Thing loud, man. I'll get to it, man.
Get it right now. 1 pound that.
1 pound.
1 pound that gone in.
Audience, you can see what's taking place here.
2 pound. Alright, viewers and subscribers, a pound in our bag. 1 pound of rice in our bag. So 2 pound that in burst in the pot already. Alright. 3 pound. Fire, you look like you have fret, so boom RAS. Alright. You have fret, alright?
It's no guitar, so you don't carry fret. Watch this, watch this.
Alright, 3. I'm gonna go out with this
Oh,
up.
God. Fire. Sorry, this thing, dog.
Maybe look at Jalen's, the whole tree.
Wasted.
Nothing. Alright. It's your crate today, no? 3 pound of rice and 2 dozen ackee and saltfish. Alright, everything in put tonight. Alright, live, we are showing everything, you know. Live, we are make sure you put a fire. Here we go and pick out them ackee there for me there. Alright, see the viewers and subscribers. Yeah, see fire the right, this for the rice, one there for the ackee. Yeah.
Bless him, Lord.
Yes, boom RAS.
My teacher, Ghana.
Yeah, Ghana there, see? Straight up, you don't know me, I juice man. Right now, we're in a El Park, right now, at the chain spot, corner shop, see?
Yeah.
Right now, all viewers and subscribers, right now, you don't know, Ghana.
Yeah.
Straight up, see?
Yeah, see it there? 3 pound of rice there, fire. Boom RAS. I get him thing right. Yeah, Rich is right. Yeah. Yeah, boss. You're good, man.
Yeah, I
Rich is right. And man, I don't want too much salt in and pop, man. Vital is vital. So I say, bread back. Pick out the ackee them, no, man. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, see it there? Ackee a boil, you know. I thought they stir the saltfish in it. They make him say, yo, the saltfish down in it there. Yeah, these are the 2 dozen ackee. Boom RAS. Our saltfish there, I can't find him the last. Alright, viewers and subscriber. History of creating this, you know. Live cookings. 2 dozen ackee. 3 pound of rice. Boom RAS there, I build up him cliff. I catch him vibes. Yeah. Fly the rice pot, let me see what I go on tonight. So I go on with him stay. I see ackee pot there go on bubbly, you know. Alright, so 4 pound, 3 pound of rice you're looking at a pot. Yeah, alright. Yeah. Yeah, man, Real Steele Entertainment.
What is
3 pound of rice, man.
How again?
2 dozen ackee.
Get a piece of fish.
Piece of saltfish, call a pound.
Cheers! You got no dog. I say this there. Oh, damn dog. 3 pound of rice will be eaten up.
Alright, 3 pound of rice. And the Ackee same way, 2 dozen Ackee.
Sugar 3 dozen.
Sugar 3 dozen. Alright.
Yeah, equal. That's good.
Georgia. Big up Georgia Entertainment Center.
Alright.
Grocery, haberdashery. She sponsored this. See what I say?
Alright.
On to the next paper.
Yes, sir.
Right, the pepper there.
After pepper.
Show me.
Yo, ready.
Ras.
That's it.
We gotta make you focus and we don't have to disturb you, you know.
Yeah, man. That's not doing it better.
Alright.
Just no way, no, my lord. If you work the camera, you work the camera, no, lord.
Alright, oh boss.
You need to talk to me, man.
Alright. Sorry, boss. What you give? What you give? I'm not afraid alone. I stream a creating of this. I stream a creating of this. Yeah, let's say viewers and subscribers. What do you think? You think him can eat off that? Look at this same wobbly, you know. Look at the mountain. It's a hard task. Ras, tell me what I go on and talk to me, man. What you say I go on?
Concentration is the key.
Alright.
What's that?
Alright.
So, the ultimate thing is finished.
Finish.
So you can't say nothing for the third me.
Alright.
Our ultimate game, aim.
J's and Fizz. Ras.
And the final run, you know, brother.
But the final run look like a 2
mount
more
to
days
climb.
to take me. You don't go about, you don't go on bad still. You move your eat, man.
It's better about a mountain to climb.
You move your mountain, man.
If you allow me to climb the mountain, I climb the mountain.
But it look like you're going to take the whole day to climb the mountain. Now, we keep not have that time right now. The viewers and subscribers, they must say, look like you might take the whole day. They might watch the video and say, alright. So what you have to tell them, say? Them say, look like you cannot eat it off. They must say, them looking at the pot already. They must say, I know what they must say, but comment below and tell me if you don't think him can eat it off, or we have to do it over back another day again. Or, you tell me what I go on viewers and subscribers.
Yo, this was my lord.
Yeah.
It's hard to take a minute to eat half a bread. Half a bread is 8 slices. 3 pound of rice, you couldn't expect it to take 8 minutes to eat up cheap. Yeah? You need to have more megabytes to record. Because it's hard for me to take. The least you allow me to take is an hour and a half to eat up cheap.
I'm now someone megabyte for record. The fans them that join out an hour and a half, brother subscribe. I want to think.
Alright.
I think you me bad still about. Say fire key. Alright, but now I tell you, you go on good enough. We have to big you up, see me fireball. We have to big you up. See me. So here we go on now. Man, say tomorrow, or the day after tomorrow, we are give you something more easier for your fans. And we are give you the one with the 4 crackers and 1 minute at a 60 seconds. And you eat off the 4 single pack of crackers and we are give you $4,000. Oh, that's all.
Yo, run the
So
Steele, a real Steele, you know.
So them 3 biscuits there, and them 4 biscuits there.
A joke thing, man. I taste up that, man.
What me use
I even taste up.
I say,
Yeah.
Fresh wet.
So you think I can manage it, that we might tell about the 4 biscuits?
let's
You make it sound easier. Same thing you tell me about the 3 pound of rice and the Ackee right now. Look,
But
you
you
sit
don't
down
know me,
comfortable.
I'm comfortable.
Brother, subscribe. Look for the time out to run from them time. Look how long that we give him. Check it. Make him go and see. Let him get it.
Subscriber. This message. It will be very, very impatient for you, is subscriber, to sit and watch a man. I eat 3 pound of rice in less than an hour, him alone. In our serve for 6-7 people.